What is up guys? Welcome to a new video. In today's video we are changing the front drive shaft of the Audi A4. First thing you have to do is pop the center hub of your wheel, as you're going to have to access the bolt that is inside. When you pop the center hubcap, you have to find a insect tool that is a 17mm tool that looks like this. After that you're going to loosen the bolt that is inside of the drive shaft, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. As you can see, the bolt is located right inside of here, and I have already loosened it when it was down at the ground. But once you have loosened it, you can just screw it off. And that is the drive shaft bolt that is holding everything in place. Once you have got this drive shaft bolt out, you can lift the car up. Once you have lifted the car up, we are going to have to use the MV10 tool that looks like this. As you can see, we come on down here, and these are the 5 bolts you need to take out. There's 2 up in the front and 3 right here. So yeah, let's take those out and we can take the drive shaft off. We might actually have to take off this shield that is right here, so we get a little bit more clearance to get the drive shaft out. So yeah, let's take the shield off and then drive shaft. Alright, so I got the shield that was on top of the drive shaft. Now to get the drive shaft off, you have to turn the wheel to the side, as well as put the drive shaft up here, and then you can take it out just like this. Simple and easy once you have the clearance for it. Alright, always when changing a part, you have to look if the new part is the same, as well as if it has the right length. And as we can see, the new one is the same size as the old one, the same length and the same size over here. So let's go ahead and fit this into the car. And when fitting this, it's the same principle as when you take it off, you turn the wheel, you put this in, and put it on the side. But first we have to grease it up a little bit. You take your bottle of grease and just grease one side of the drive shaft. This will make it last longer and get in easier. And now we can put it in. Alright, so with a little bit of force we got it in. I had my dad over here helping me, but yeah, at last it is in. And now we are just going to assemble this again with those 5 bolts that we have from the old one. And that is how you change a drive shaft on a Audi A4. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye!